G'day, Petey from thumbpump.com here. Today we're going to have a look at fitting some Hauser Pro Bounce Nerf bars that we've got from Ostraco, who are the Aussie Hauser distributor. Okay, so here we have a whole left-hand side Nerf bar. We've got the main Nerf bar, the heel guard frame, the foot peg tree, the foot peg itself, and the full set of nets. We've also got this squishy little rubber ball that the foot peg sits on.
The first step in fitting these new Nerf bars is to remove the old ones. Remove all of the fastening bolts, then remove the Nerf bars themselves. Next, you remove the stock heel guards by undoing the bolts on the back of the foot pegs, then the bolts holding the heel guard bracket to the frame. Then you just remove the bolts holding the stock foot pegs on, and remove the foot peg itself. Next, we undo the two bolts holding the coolant bottle and move it out of the way. Then we place the rubber spacers around the frame and place the front mount up against them. Then we take the U-bolts provided and fit the front mount in place, but only finger tight. Next, take the coolant relocating bracket and bolt it into place. Then move the coolant bottle to its new location and simply bolt it in. Now take one of the foot peg trees and bolt it into place. This is the only part that is mounted directly to the frame with no vibration dampening, so be sure to use some good quality Loctite and to nip them up fairly tight. Next, slide the heel guard tube onto the back of the foot peg tree and bolt it into place. Then you can do the same with the main Nerf tube. You may need to apply a little bit of pressure here to the tube to line the holes up, but that helps keep everything tight to avoid any unnecessary vibrations. Tighten up these bolts, then once both sides of the quad are assembled, you can tighten up the U-bolts on the front mount. Now for the foot pegs. Slide the rubber anti-vibration cones into each end of the tube on the top of the foot peg tree. Then spray the foot peg pivot sleeve with a high quality dry lubricant like CRC Dry Glide and slide the pivot sleeve into the rubber cones. Place the cup washers over the ends of the rubber cones and slide the foot peg into place, ensuring the holes of the sides of the foot peg line up with the cup washers. Then slide the hex head bolt through the peg and rubber cones and tighten. Next, place the rubber ball into the cup on top of the foot peg tree. Then clamp the foot peg down onto the foot peg tree, compressing the ball. Apply some Loctite onto the thread of the preload spacer, place it through the foot peg and tension it up with a spanner placed under the foot peg. We're nearly there. Now for the nets. Thread the heel guard nets on using the Nerf buckles provided. Make sure you have the correct net for each side, as they are slightly different. Once they are all threaded, adjust the buckles to ensure the net is in the correct position. Then you can do exactly the same thing with the main Nerf bar nets. The system for threading these buckles is quite simple once you've done a few. And again, once you're done, simply adjust the buckles to make sure the net's sitting properly. Do the same to the other side of the quad and you're all done.
So that's how you fit a set of Hauser Pro Bounce Nerf bars to a KTM 525XC. It's an exceptional quality product. It's quite easy to fit. You just need to follow the correct sequence to get everything in the right place. If you want to order yourself a set, get onto the guys at Ostraco.